lude lumuntos kotomono mera kaisangon anukan luegit gita kotomono district loko kalaki kesda adaun ay tutur kotomna inaptanu kamara kida scouting ay tutuoro na nesda buko jaun kotomono somer lokada anyara moru primary school ko tem loko anyara ko district loko kalaki diopet kotomono tungal woda yaita kirono kai tutuori Imwalimun Richard Rwanga ngesda buko limda ebe kotunu kwana ngesi Imwalimun lo daun ay tutur abongor kotomono somro ikej tete keny epidote ay temoin isyak kededa ajenun achobe na dum tu kesing
lo ste pana kwesi agera kuno to somro ikej atu no reta nu chichi ni yauneti wetoma a scouting osod bobo kwesida ayaw ni tungo to motal to monono local scouting itete kenyi kwa kati tunga le raunete local scout kapna greater no le minasi le genete do ligana klete akapna kanda
kosora diopet kotomona Imwalimun ada buko jaun kotomona ituturo kana Agnes Anwako ngesa buko limda ebe adum ngesa kironwe joka kanoi kotomona ay tuturo kana kitiriane kede lem na mam ngesda buko jaun kotomona ay tuturo nikoni kana.
Really, I have gained so much in this training. I have got very many skills of scouting, and I encourage everyone always be involved in this training of scouting. Really, like now, since morning, since yesterday, really, I have seen my life has really changed. I've enjoyed the training so much.
Kusodi Imwalimu eche Samuel eke jungesa balada ebe amam saijena na kichobore mina aina njuma mjenun ake jokis kwenye kaulu na kangis adumun ay tuturo na balada ebe jokak aina patakere ede betinges abongor ete mone siak loko someroke tete kenye perir kwes da adumun ay jen keda choa na ada daud kwes adumun.
We have learned very many things which are very important, and more so for me, somebody who has been in sports. So it has helped me now to add my knowledge, because I've learned that the ways of administering first aid and also the way of tying the flag. So this had been the challenge for many of the teachers and the pupils.
Roundo kwana anyun abong kreta mweja unos kaula na kai Imwalimun lu abong rokoto muno somoro ikej are perirote chut aja ut kedisiak turte kesi tonado ketai na kuju tonda ay tutuoro nwegiti gita kwa penati ay tosom auno aduk na kai togoe ay ngara kinikini tunga lwegiti gita kereda ajaut kede ajen kotomona atiokisho kes kotomoni boreche lwa pondo itutura da Imwalimun kotoma. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kukalaki District.